Hi, everyone. Welcome to the first tutorial in our series on using the Insights Cloud platform. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create your account step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to insights.altaitechnologies.com. Once you're on the page, we'll begin by registering a new account. Enter your preferred username and password. If everything looks good, click the Register Now button. You'll be taken to a page where you'll need to complete your account setup. Start by entering a valid email address. This is important, as you'll receive an activation link to verify your identity. Next, fill in your company name. Select your country or region, and choose the industry you work in. Then, let us know the channel you get our products. If the network you plan to manage is in the same time zone as your computer, you can check the box to directly use your browser's time zone. This way, platform data like statistics and logs will display in your local time. Of course, you can always update the time zone manually later if needed. Before continuing, take a moment to review our privacy policy and user agreement. Once you've read through them, check the box to agree and click the Submit button. Shortly after, you'll receive a verification email. If it doesn't appear in your inbox, be sure to check your junk or spam folder. Open the email and click the activation link to complete your account setup. You'll be directed to a confirmation page. Just click Proceed to return to the login screen. Now, log in with your new account. And that's it. Welcome to the Insights dashboard. Feel free to explore, and stay tuned for our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.